So it's finally finished. This is my custom built entertainment center. We had a this crappy little TV stand, and we had our TV on top with a sound bar and a subwoofer and DVD player and just cords everywhere. It just looked like crap. And we also had on either side, we had these two massive towers of DVDs. My wife's a big DVD collector and often scours the $5 bins at Walmart. And we had a crap load of those, and these racks were like leaning over to the side. They had so many on them, they were just made like crap. And so I decided to solve both problems by building this entertainment center. So you can see we have a sound bar mounted into the actual entertainment center, along with the DVD player and the subwoofer. So they got their own little spots, and a little cubby hole where you can throw DVDs in there or whatever. And this is actually, I can show you, this actually comes off. Try to do it without breaking. There we go. And these are just the little prongs that I'm not sure what they're called actually, but they're the same thing that go for the cabinets here, right? So that they stay in place. You shut them, but it's the same thing set up in 3 spots over here. So actually, this goes on and it just snaps into place. Hang on a second here. There we go. And then it's nice and flush, and you can see you still have the little control system for the sound bar. Right, and then there's a little drawer for remotes or whatever on the other side. And then here's the cool part. You open these cabinets up, and there's our DVDs, and we have them on these nice ball bearing racks that come all the way out, so you can still get the ones from the back really easily. And then they shut, and here's the cool part. Look at that. Really cool little rollers that shut the last couple inches for you. Alright, so we got them all neatly organized in these racks. There's a whole nother set of them over here. And in the back, can't really see it, but in the back there's a power strip installed internally so that everything's kind of wired into the system, and then it just plugs in right to that one little wall outlet. So that's it. And cool thing about this is that all the parts, it cost me only about $200, which sounds like a lot, but it would have been a lot more. But I actually used reclaimed wood, so I used pallet wood and fence posts. So this right here, this was actually a fence post, and I cut them out and sanded them down really well and got a nice mahogany stain for it. And then this is just pallet wood right here. You can actually see where I kind of filled them in and sanded over it. It's not perfect, but it still looks pretty nice. And I bought some of the wood, like this was a oak panel that I bought from Home Depot and a few other parts, but most of it's reclaimed, so it was actually really cheap. Took a hell of a long time to clean up all the wood, and it was really a pain in the ass, so I'll probably never do that again. Probably just buy the wood next time and cough up the dough. But anywho, here's what you can do with some reclaimed wood and some power tools and just a little bit of creativity.